Today I want to show you how to remove unwanted person in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel. Click and drag to duplicate the layer. Then go to the toolbar and select the object selection tool. Select add to selection and choose the lasso mode. Now select the person you want to remove from the picture. OK, when it's selected, go to the selection, modify, and expand. Now expand the selection by 10 pixels, and click OK. OK, the selection has expanded. Now go to the edit, and choose fill. Select the content aware from the list. The opacity is 100, and click OK. That was removed. Select the layer, and select again this area. Go to Edit, and Fill. Content Aware, then click OK. OK, it looks good. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.